So hi everybody, this is Luke. Have you ever wondered how you can completely change the speed of your typing on your iPhone? The iPhone has a special slide type feature that we will show you today. So first, we will open the settings. We will choose General. Now scroll a bit until you see Keyboard. And now you've got the slide type option. You've probably got it disabled, so we need to enable it with simple click. And we can go right ahead and try it out. And we will write down, for example, olive is very nice. Now let's say you don't like this feature anymore and you want to disable it again. And we will just do it the way we turn it on. We will open the settings, we will select general, select keyboard and disable slide type. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave me like and subscribe.